2003 Chevy Monte Carlo V6. What we got done on it, got factory converter right there, got factory resonator right there, huge fat resonator, and then it's got 2 1/4 pipe, and we did a muffler delete right there, and a 4-inch double wall tip right there, and 2 new hangers. It's the original muffler that came off of it. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep getting you more videos. Videos. Perfect. There she is. There's sound decibels on it. There's the sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 98. That's not too much, not too little. It's perfect.
I like it. That's good.
And like I said, if you want it louder, we can change it to that vibrant on it.
Yeah.
It'll sound even better.
Yeah. So the vibrant makes it lower.
Louder.
Louder?
Louder and deeper.
Yeah, I like
That
that.
sounds good. That's your job.
Yeah.
That sounds good. I have a Monte Carlo like that. And
Monte Carlo, baby.
what kind of phone you got?
3.4 liter V6. Muffler delete. Those tail lights are different. I like them. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Monte Carlo,
I had one like that.
2003. Muffler delete.
Sound good.
Yeah, we got a YouTube channel.
You do?
Yeah, I'll let you in a second on it.